Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do some egg rice, guys. Egg fried rice. Yeah, egg fried rice. So guys, watch your badness in our kitchen, guys. I first never do this. You understand what I did? Me see a lot of people do it on YouTube already, so I'm gonna try it, guys. So watch what I go on in our kitchen. I'll be a badness. I soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna use 3 egg. You understand what I did? Guys, I'm gonna put some salt and black pepper. I like black pepper in my egg. You understand what I did? So my black pepper. And some salt, guys. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put up some scallion. You understand what I did? Yeah. And some seasoned pepper. Guys, I know everybody cook different. You understand what I did? Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put up some season. Guys, the knife done. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so light up the stove. What am I gonna do? Fry up here. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah, be a badness. Yeah guys, so I go put in egg, fry up my egg now. Watch your badness, guys. Guys, I'm gonna bust my mixed vegetable. You understand how to eat, yeah? Yeah, guys, so sweet corn and mixed vegetable.